And hats. And hats.
Woo, 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 woo. New product alert.
What is it?
They're gussets. You can use them for anything. Universal. I know everything there is to know about the gusset industry. Roll cage gussets, sport cage gussets, light bar gussets, roof rack gussets, bumper gusset, shelving gusset, shipping cart gusset, tow motor gusset, windshield gusset, rock slider gusset, door gusset, seat gusset, fender flare gusset, mop gusset, mop bucket gusset, shop sink gusset, brush gusset, floor gusset, shop table gussets, drill press gussets, gusset, mall crawler gussets, french fry gussets, po' boy gussets, pop can gussets, marinara gussets.
Wait, you've been making these up the whole time?
That's all there really is to know about the gusset industry. Fishbone Offroad Gussets. Made in America. Made for everything.
Fishbone Offroad.